Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Runlane dog shock collar, which uses ultrasonic vibrations to train your animal. Alright, so right here we have the vibration shock collar. This is the dog training collar. So this right here gives professional 4 training modes, humanely and effectively correct bad behaviors. You have the sound mode, which goes to 0 to 10 levels. You have vibration mode 1 to 10 levels, static shock mode 0 to 18, and then you have a shock boost mode up to 30% higher. So this one here is what it looks like. This one here is the pink color. So this is the upgraded finished design. It's a colorful digital display which is easy to read. Here is the instructions manual, so it tells you about the warning. This is the vibration, shock, noise, operation guide, pairing instructions. So first off, you do get the remote control. This one here gives you different modes, which you can do the sound, vibration, or shock. So they are color coded on the collar itself. You've got sound, vibration, and shock. So here is your power button, volume up and down for intensity. That's your power. That is your lock and unlock. You got your vibration, your volume, you've got shock. So this one right here is just sound. Down here at the bottom is a shock, which is the purple one. So the pink one is for the vibration. So this is a lock button and the unlock button. So right here you've got the channels, you got the modes, and then at the bottom is your Type-C charging cable plug in port. So here is the collar itself, and on the collar it does have different lighting modes. On the back it has the little posts. Here is the charging cable port. You have a little speaker here at the bottom that is for the sound, and then right here it does display 3 different colors. So if it displays green, that is the sound. If it is like a purple, it is vibration, and if it is red, that means shock. This does have a nice little clasp, so it just comes off and puts on super easy. All you gotta do is pinch those together. You can loosen this or tighten this, so it works for large, medium, and small dogs. You do get a wrist strap. This has 3 times wider, 2,680 feet remote range, perfect for indoor and outdoor training. So here are the posts. You get longer posts and you get smaller posts. So this has a quick charge, long lasting. You can enjoy this on your day out. So the receiver can charge up to, standby time is 45 days. For full charge is about an hour and a half to 2 hours. The remote is up to 60 days for standby time. So here's the posts. So you can train your dog with ease. So the intensity levels of the volume is level 1 to 3, which is low pitch. Level 4 to 6 is medium pitch. And level 7 and 9 is high pitch. Level 10 is close to ultrasonic. So here is the charging cable. So this one here is set to the shock. This is your display showing that how many battery you have left in this one. And then there is the power button. So you can change the mode by clicking the mode on the side of the remote. So this right here says it's completely fully charged. So here is the remote. You do get the hand wrist strap, and you do have a little plastic device right here that tightens up these little poles. So you just slide it in there, twist it, and it will lock into place. So you get the silicone protective probes, which protects your skin, your dog's skin, from harm. This is the multifunctional test tool, so you can tighten it up, and at the tip you can test the shock absorbent. So this one here is a nice dog training kit. It offers the ultrasonic sound. You've got vibration as well as shock. You have the choice to choose between the 3. Alright, so right now we're going to go ahead and test it on my dog Ginger. We're going to go ahead and try the vibration, and then we're going to go ahead and try the sound. Alright, so we did try the vibration as well as the audio. My dog didn't seem to mind it. This is just set at level 2, so it does go all the way up to 10, so it gets super loud. So right now I'm going to show you, this is on the vibration mode. And then the sound mode will turn to like a purple. Bear with me, my dog wants to check everything out. So this is level 3 for the audio. So my dog right here, Mika, she's listening to it and she's hearing the vibration, but it doesn't bother them. So you can see the light that's coming on and off. That purple one is basically the vibration and the blue one is the audio. So it does not bug them. They do listen. I did put this on and my dog did sit down by the audio. So I would definitely say this is a nice one. If you're looking for a nice dog training kit, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one is a super nice one, and if you don't want to use the shock, you have the option for ultrasonic and vibration.